This is a video on the art of questioning during lectures. Paul Black and Dylan William did seminal work on formative assessment. They also taught questioning to the teachers in the projects Inside the Black Box and Working Inside the Black Box. They found that teachers commit two common mistakes during questioning. Mistake number 1: wait for less than 1 second after questioning. Mistake number 2: ask an intelligent student to answer the question. This is bad questioning. Good questioning avoids these common mistakes and does much more. What is a question? Any statement regardless of grammatical form that elicits an answer. What is an answer? Any statement that fulfills the expectation of the question. How does questioning help? Students can participate actively, develop confidence, and develop a feeling of success. What are the types of questions? The types of questions are factual questions, clarification questions, broadening questions, justification questions, and hypothetical questions. What are factual questions? They get information and test rote memory. For example, what is the genetic abnormality in sickle cell anemia? Clarification questions lend clarity to teachers and students. For example, you mentioned that sickle cell anemia is a form of hemolytic anemia. Can you explain what do you mean by the term hemolytic anemia? Broadening questions, for example, you mentioned that diabetes mellitus causes end organ damage to the kidneys. Which other organs are likely to be affected? Justifying questions explore reasons for particular answers. For example, you mentioned that hypertension is an iceberg disease. Can you give reasons for your answer? Hypothetical questions test the understanding of students by raising questions. For example, giving a situation about a patient taking an ACE inhibitor and asking which side effect is most common? What can the teacher do when students given wrong answers? Teachers can provide opportunity space, give clues to the first questions, and treat the answer as plausible. To summarize, good questioning is a major determinant of successful teaching. Often students fail to answer a particular question because the question is unclear. A period of silence after a question is asked and a response is given is essential. Thank you. I am Dr. Swapnil.